Fit any as anything, and your friend saying mechanic. Sana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I should be a change your floor, and I'm about too much GH. Shit! Na prophet kumichacha, me so me share.
My friend and you me akasano. I'm okay. I'm not fighting. Where your last video I made concerning me ne Agyapong issue no. Agyapong, se nyambo Wednesday, anase fiti neko. Se when to me and fa video, I'm daring you, me del Tracy Boakye. Me del. Se wasi wo video I made akoma you and you, when you, whatever. So when to me and fa video na mba bontin, I'm a che Ghana for what gun who any massy. Ghana for be who say on canokwe. So what to me the video and so bab on be prove say me bonena de to me so no my ya Ghanaians will believe you. So no Ghana for me so me gumi who any massy. And I'm throwing a challenge at you. Agyapong fa video a chrese me my ye bonesa me blackmail obino. Fabra me say me del. I'm daring you. And more beyond stop you. Bring your video up. And also, this is my last video concerning this issue. I will not talk about this issue again. Maya Bakui, I'm a for be babontia be video edi atemni ade. Me respond, I don't care. The person make an carry. My party NDC. Me blackmail ubia. I don't have anything to do with former President Mahama. I beg you. I respect the man as my father. Minya boni sada. I don't have any video. I don't have any audio. I have never blackmailed former President Mahama. This is my video. This is my view concerning this issue. Min kasabiem. Se Agyapong amfa video ame toa bonten te se de anwumre wonya vemo kasa na boycott every issue. I don't have any video. I don't have anything to do with the former president. I am not blackmailing anybody. Masema me work on.
Fit any as anything, and your friend saying mechanic. Sana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I should be a change your floor, and I'm about too much GH. Shit! Na prophet kumichacha me so me share.